Chapter 9: Analysis of Data. Statistical analysis, or statistics, is concerned with the development and application of methods and techniques for organizing data, or usually qualitative, so that the reliability of conclusions based on the data may be evaluated objectively in terms of probability. There are two major areas or types of statistics: theoretical and applied statistics. The main difference that the purpose of theoretical research is to increase understanding, or ideally, by developing new theory or scrutinizing existing theory, while applied research is deliberately intended to bring about social change. The basic purpose of statistical analysis is to summarize observations or data in such a manner that they provide answer to the hypothesis or research questions. Statistics facilitate drawing general conclusions based on specific data. Interpretation of the results follows the analysis stage, and its purpose is to search for the broader meaning of the results by linking them to other available knowledge. Caution in using statistics. The analysis process should be planned well in advance in order to anticipate problems that may be encountered. In fact, the analysis of a study is shaped, to a considerable extent, before the data are collected. The anticipation of the analysis process determines what kind of data will be needed. The researcher will need to employ an appropriate statistical test, such as the difference of means test. In order to organize and analyze the data collected for a study, it is necessary to place them in categories. In establishing categories, 4 basic rules or guidelines should follow. First, the set of categories or values for any one variable should be derived from a single classificatory principle, which is determined by the research question or hypothesis being investigated. Second, each set of categories should be exhaustive. Third, the categories within each set should be mutually exclusive. Lastly, the development of categories should be based on a sound knowledge of the subject matter and an anticipation of likely responses. Coding the data. Once the categories have been established and data assigned to them, it is necessary to convert the new data or responses to numerical codes so that they can be tabulated or tallied. These codes are in turn assigned to specific locations in data files, particularly if computer data analysis is planned. However, if the original responses are already numerical, such as test scores, volumes counts in libraries, and so on, then they do not need to be assigned new codes, unless they are being recorded. The following is the basic research statistical design that may employ in your research. The descriptive statistics that describes the relationship between variables and provides a summary of data in the form of